The 2023 Kia Ceed GT has been unveiled as a high-performance variant of the well-regarded Ceed hatchback. Enthusiasts will be thrilled with its 1.6-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine, which pumps out 204 horsepower and 195 pound-feet of torque. This powerful engine allows the Ceed GT to sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a respectable 7 seconds. Potential buyers can choose between a 6-speed manual transmission for a more engaging drive or a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission for ease and convenience. Visually, the Ceed GT sets itself apart with several distinctive exterior and interior features. The exterior exudes sportiness, equipped with an exclusive body kit, eye-catching 18-inch alloy wheels, and black accents that give it an aggressive yet sleek appearance. On the inside, occupants are greeted by sport seats that are both comfortable and supportive, a flat-bottom steering wheel that adds to the sporty ambiance, and red accents that contrast beautifully with the interior's dark tones. Price-wise, the Ceed GT starts at $26,290, making it the range-topping model in the Ceed lineup. It offers a plethora of features and a performance-oriented driving experience for a competitive price. However, potential buyers should take note that availability may be limited. In terms of functionality, the Ceed GT doesn't compromise on practicality despite its sporty credentials. The interior is surprisingly spacious, and the hatchback design ensures ample cargo space, making it suitable for daily errands as well as longer trips. The vehicle also boasts a long list of standard features, ensuring that drivers and passengers alike enjoy a pleasant and entertaining journey. As with any vehicle, the Ceed GT has its pros and cons. The pros include a fun and engaging driving experience, thanks to its potent engine and sporty handling. It also offers excellent value for money considering the extensive features and performance capabilities it packs. Additionally, the spacious interior is a big plus, especially for those who need practicality along with performance. The 2023 Kia Ceed GT is a compelling option for those seeking a blend of performance, style, and practicality in a compact hatchback. With its turbocharged engine, distinctive styling, and an array of features, it's poised to deliver an exhilarating driving experience. While it may not be the fastest car in its segment, the combination of attributes it offers makes it an attractive and value-for-money proposition for driving enthusiasts and practical-minded buyers alike. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car reviews and updates. See you in the next video.